tortoise. Watch how fast the shake is.
Jeez, he is. Oh, Christ!
Right, so we are in the Pongola Nature Reserve, staying at Sondaba, and last night we had the most crazy electrical storm, absolutely bonkers, and it poured down. But this morning we're going to launch the boat, and then us three, Emma W and Shannon, are gonna go and look for some animals, see if we can see any game. Hopefully we'll see something cool. What do you want to see?
Giraffe.
You want to see a giraffe, yeah?
Any animal.
Any animal. You saw animals last night in the dark.
Impala.
Impalas! Yeah, hopefully we'll see a few cool animals. Unfortunately, there's no lions in this park, so we're not going to see them.
Rhinoceros.
But there's rhino, so hopefully we'll see some rhino. White rhino and black rhino, believe it or not. Yeah, they are black rhino. So we might see the black rhino. Hopefully we'll see the white rhino. There's been a lot of rain, so everything is absolutely green. Look at this, it's so good. We've just got back from a game drive, and geez, we got stuck in the mud. This is the result. Look at this car. Is it bad on that side?
Yeah. Look at the stuff on that little step there.
Oh my lord! We were so close to not coming back. It was crazy. Look how much mud is on here. Where's Julie been? Is she gone? Oh, look where it flicked up to. Look, it's all over the bonnet. Wow, what an epic adventure. That was so close to ending us stuck in the mud for days. But now we're going to go for a swim and go get some food. Alright, this is our camp at Sondaba. It's an incredible place, so awesome. But I'll show you around now quickly. Come up here to watch the sunset, but it looks like a massive storm is coming in. Check out those clouds. Sunset's over there. It's beautiful and terrifying all at the same time. Storm chasers. Wow, what an incredible storm. But it's getting a little bit dark now and the lightning's coming in, so we're gonna head back to camp.
Good things and never let it win. If there's something that you wanna know, if there's something, show me where to go, and I will give myself to you. I will give myself to you.